Hello, YouTube friends and family. If a short brought you over here, just welcome, welcome, welcome. I still am going to give you a Dollar Tree haul. No matter how small, I'm trying to do them once a week, y'all. Okay? Even in all of the midst of my trials and tribulations and sorrows, I'm going to put $15 limits on the Dollar Tree this week. This week, next week, the next week. But I did find some interesting finds, some repeat buys, and hopefully you'll like this little small haul. Because this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay? So it's going to be short, sweet, and simple. I did buy some spray dust. This is good for, it's compressed air, cleaning electronics, also dusting baskets and things like that. So, we did some trash picking in our own neighborhood and listed an item for sale for $80 on Marketplace. So if y'all ain't doing that, y'all better open your eyes and pay attention. You rich folk be throwing away some stuff that I turn around and sell. If I don't give a $25 for it, that's $25 I ain't had. Okay? So I ain't too cute. I ain't too proud to grab my next door neighbor's trash and sell it on Facebook Market. And I certainly do. Okay? So, here a little bit of help. We really enjoyed these. We have finished the 2 boxes that we had. So I had to replenish. Great side dish with fish, chicken, whatever. Make your little bowls with some vegetables. Great addition to your pantry. Then, those days I just don't feel like eating in a hurry. Want to make a better choice than noodles. We have own plant-based protein shakes. I only bought 2 of them, but this is a good quick. I got to hurry up and eat. Let me find some sort of meal, and it's good until February 2026. February 2026, shelf-stable, gluten-free, vegan. How many grams? 32 grams of protein. Great. Throw them in your go bags. Throw them in your go bag. Just in case we gotta go. But that's going in my drink fridge. I'll drink those at lunches. So then I saw this exfoliating cloth out there in the sun. Like I tan. I'm naturally tan. But you know, you get in the sun, you get a little sunburn on your back, want to scrub it off, exfoliate that dead skin, that burned skin. This is it. Hot, sweaty days. Get a good bath, run this across that back, and you can get some body scrub and go across the back too. So that's why I grabbed that. Also have Texas barbecue seasoning rub. This is new. Some of these seasonings tend to be quite salty, so be careful. Test it before you go sprinkling it on the meat. I have not tried that, but if you watch my Aldi haul, you'll see why I bought it. I say I'm going to give it a try. So I got some outside projects, like a little hummingbird house that kind of separated and need to be glued back together. So this is professional strength wood glue. This is perfect for a small project for $1.29. And this is by the actual Super Glue brand. So great to add to the toolkit. And then we got these. These so good. I see somebody lurking in the shadows coming to get them. These are so delicious. I only bought one because they dangerous. They going in one wok. But these are so good. The Biscolata Stars. So good. And then we are in the summertime. Oops. You know these kids gonna be running around bumping into stuff, cutting stuff, all of that. So these were some cute Band-Aids. It's 20 Band-Aids. They are animal hugs, Hug-a-Boo-Boo. And this is not Greenbrier, but it is manufactured in China. And there's a website called hugabooboo.com. So it's Hug-a-Boo-Boo. And they are actual animal Band-Aids that have arms for the hugs. Thought that was pretty cute. And the kids will like this in the summertime. Adding this to the first aid. And that was it. Child, $12 and some change. That was it. Everything I bought was $1.25, $12 and change. I went in there and I filmed a walkthrough for you, but I did not take all that stuff home. I meant to get the fly ribbon, but I forgot it. Maybe I'll see it at another store and I'll remember to pick it up the next time. But that's the only thing I kind of wanted that I didn't, pick up. But they were also doing a lot of stocking at my store. They were in the process. So maybe when I check back next week, or maybe I'll get over there Friday, the weekend, something like that, and check again after they've emptied all those boxes in the way. Then I might find something new. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And as always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And if you do like gardening, go check out JC in the Garden, my other channel. And we are growing food over there. Like life depends on it. So join us, okay? In the grow your own food revolution here. All right. I do love you, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.